I'm Karthik Rao. I lead customer success for LineVision, and we're here today with National Grid to install LineVision sensors on their 275 kV lines between Kirby and Penwortham.
Traditionally, installing new capacity onto a transmission system involves complex reconductoring, new towers, disturbing landowners, and much more additional works for us to complete. LineVision, in contrast, allows us to mount them directly to the tower, unlocking additional capacity from our existing overhead lines, increasing the efficiency of our assets. There's more and more renewable generation connecting to us. As a consequence of this, we experience blockages on the transmission network where power can't get from one place to another. This kind of technology allows us to get up to 45% additional power for our existing transmission assets.
Our electricity grid is going to need to transmit more and more electricity in the future. So we're modernising it and changing it to respond to that need. And innovation is going to be an incredibly important part of that change.
By responding to these changes on the network more quickly, we're able to save more money for consumers. And this project is estimated to save £1.4 million in its first year of installation.